Welcome back. This is how to prevent PS4 from overheating. So, first one is make sure your PS4 has at least 4 inches of clearance around it and don't keep it inside a closed cabinet because it needs airflow. Another one is clean the vents because dust buildup blocks airflow, and you could use a can of compressed air to blow dust out of the vents and fans and keep the console off while cleaning. Another one is position it right. So lay the PS4 flat on the hard surface and avoid carpets or soft fabric since they can trap the heat. Another one is play in a cool, well ventilated room because heat from the environment make your PS4 work harder. And now also regular cleaning and good ventilations are the key to preventing overheat. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.